Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken like Max's restaurant. And here's how, guys. So enjoy. In a wok, we have to boil the water and we have to put lemongrass, ginger, onions, peppers, salt, and nor cubes to taste. Next step, so we have to put the whole chicken. So ilagay na natin ang whole chicken sa kumukulong tubig. Ta-da! This is a new invention. So guys, we have to cover it for 45 minutes and hintayin na lang natin guys na maluto siya. So, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And this time, baliktarin na natin guys. So, and then, nilalagay ko yung mga ricados inside the chicken. So, after 45 minutes, our chicken is ready. So, iahon na natin siya sa kahirapan, guys. I'm just kidding. What I meant is we have to take out the chicken from the wok. So, sa kabilang dako naman is magpakulo tayo ng oil. Tapos, nilagay ko na yung ating chicken, guys. So, before ko nilagay yung chicken pala is pinunasan ko siya ng toyo na may tubig. So, hindi ko na lang pinakita sa inyo, guys. Kasi nahihirapan ako dahil ako lang din nakahawak ng aking phone while taking video. So, hintayin na lang nating mag-golden brown siya, guys. So, ayan. Ready na siya, guys. Ready na siya. Tapos, medyo crunchy pa siya. So, nakikita nyo naman. So, yun na nga, guys. Inahon ko na sa kahirapan ng ating chicken. At, let's see. And this is the most exciting part. So, anong lasa niya. Here. Okay, that's it. See, guys. So this is made of the Max restaurant. Remember the Max restaurant, babe? Yeah. Look. Wow. Here. So you guys, so yun lang po yung ating paggawa ng ating chicken. Mabilis lang siyang gayahin, guys. And it's so yummy. It tastes like Max's restaurant chicken. How's the chicken, anak?
It's good. It's like really delicious.
You like it?
Yeah. It's good. It's like delicious.
Wow.
Maxi.
Maxi.